Hello, this is Amanda from Creative Pouring, based out of Rugby in the UK. Today I am going to do a open cup pour, utilising this little cup that I've just chopped the bottom off. So yeah, as you can see, I have flooded my canvas with black. I'm just using Floetrol today. The Floetrol we have in the UK is really thick, so I've had to water it down. And then I've used Jackson Art, just turn that around so you can see, Jackson Studio Acrylic Colour Mars Black. And I made it really quite thin, so when you sort of poured it on the stick, it just went straight in. But it's not quite sticking to the edges, so I think that's maybe a bit too thin. But I thought, well, it's okay to just pour on the top. So we'll see. So I've made this a little bit thicker that I'm going to put inside. So we'll see whether that's a mistake or not as we go on. And then I'm using mainly DecoArt colours. So I've got the DecoArt Extreme Sheen 24 karat gold, the sapphire, and then the, what's it called, pink tourmaline, those three. And then I've also got a Pebeo iridescent green yellow. Oh, can't you see that? There you go, iridescent green yellow. And I've made those sort of 2-to-1 Floetrol to paint, so they're not really thick like you would do a ring pour, but they still leave a nice trace. I poured these about half an hour ago and they're still quite bubbly, but we will go with the flow. Okay, so what I'm going to do, did I see something fall on my canvas? And what I did, I'm going to take that little bit out there. Okay, right, so I'm going to stick that about there. Let's just do a bit of puddle first. This is a bit thicker than the other paint. I don't know if that's going to cause a problem or not. Let's stick that there. Round around the outside. Okay, so in we go. So I'm just going to hold this down and pour these in. And see what happens. Look, didn't want that to go yet. Maybe that's gone a bit too thick now, I don't know. We'll see. Allegedly, you don't really need a lot of this, but might always do another one if it's okay. That was quick. Did I put everything in? I think I did. Right, let's give this a quick torch. There's no silicone in these, so it's just the metallic, well, the Extreme Sheen, which I know does sell up quite nicely. So I'm just going to give this, because it was quite bubbly, these paints, and see what happens. And then I'm going to tilt. I might do a bit of blowing, and a bit of let that just settle for a little bit. I like that shape already. I think if I just keep that, and let's hope there's some more pink and that come through. I did put some in. I might just Look at that blue one there. Okay. Right, let's just stretch this out and see what we get. Doesn't seem to be. Pink or anything. Oh no, here they come, all these little ones. I'm just going to stretch it to that corner, bring it back. I love those cells, they're beautiful. Let's just stretch it to this corner. So it goes over the black. Okay, and then down over here. Oh, they're really pretty, really pretty. I wonder if I can just go all the way to that corner and then bring it down. Just off the edge slightly, I think. And then, oh, and then down that way, I think. And then we'll see if we need to do anything to it. I think we will. I think I might just have to put something through it, or okay. Right, let's just bring all that back. Bring it up to this top blue end, and then I'll have a look to see what we need to do. Because otherwise it could look a little bit boring. The colours are really pretty. See the blue, the pink, the gold, the green. But it's just a bit bland at the moment. Let me just wipe my hands and have a look. It's a nice background for something. It is gorgeous, but it needs some ooh la la to it, doesn't it? I don't know what to do with that. This is where we need a bit of inspiration, because the colours and the black in between is lovely. Just give this another quick blast. See if anything else comes up. Get rid of all those bubbles. Now, what shall I do with this? What shall I do? What shall I do? What shall I do? I wonder if I just blow it out on the edges, because this is sort of filtering out a little bit here. Oh, I might have to look at this for a while. You can hear my puppy in the background. He's in his crate. So after having a good old walk, well, not walk around, but play in the garden. So, come on, Amanda, have some inspiration on this one. It's just really pretty as it is. I think I might just blow the edges out. Right, let's just try that first. There's my straw. There it is. Because I don't think they're going to sell up. Right, let's give this a quick go. Right, let's see what that does. That looks interesting. Oh. Now, do we need to leave it like that, or do we do something with it? Oh. it's just so pretty with that black in between all those colours. I really don't want to spoil it. I think I might just leave it like that. I think I'm just going to leave it. Yep, I think I am. I'm just going to put a bit of this thicker paint on the edges, just to cover these up. A bit thicker. I think the rest we got poured off, so that's okay. A little thicker paint. It'll stick. Let's see. What do you think, peeps? Shall I do something through it there? And a bit of black. Just a little bit of just to give it a bit of a something or other. So, oh, he wants to be let out. But okay, I think I'm going to leave that just with that little bit of, I might have to come back and have another look in a second just to see if there's anything I need to do. Yep, no, I think that's, I just love those colours. There's a little bit of, wow, yeah, okay, I'm going to leave it. I'll just, that's just broken it up and given it a little bit of something. I don't know what, if it's okay. No, I think I'm going to leave that there. I just love those colours and I don't want to break that up. It's just so pretty. Let me just bring you down and show you without. See, look how pretty they are. And the colours, the green, then it goes to the blue, and then it goes to the pink. Oh, hang on, I can't see what I'm doing. There you go. Anyway, I should take a photo, put it on the YouTube eventually. I hope you've liked this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Amanda, over and out.